Hey guys, today I'm doing my nails. I'm also gonna be talking while I'm doing it, which I never do. I put a heart right here so that I know that I'm in frame. I have 5 sisters that are literally insane, so we'll see if they decide to pop up. Also, my chair is like really squeaky. And I have birds, so they're gonna... Anyways, enough with the problems. We're just gonna do my nails. I haven't done them in ages. First thing I'm gonna do, I already know my size, but I'm just gonna get them out now. And for this, I did make my own charm. Are you guys ready? She's so cute. I definitely should have molded it on a nail, cause yeah, but it's okay. I honestly don't expect it to stay on that long because I don't know how people wear charms like that. I also made some star ones for one of the nails. This hand, definitely a mess. I didn't take care of like my cuticles on this hand yet, only on this one because I'm doing this hand. Also, my nails are yellow because I've been wearing nail polish a lot and it stained my hands. Here's my pinky nail, guys. I know it literally looks rotten. It looks dead. But if you didn't know, I lifted up my nail almost all the way. Literally terrifying. Haven't been able to do long nails. I'm going to do a long nail on this one, but I'm not gonna prep the nail at all because I don't want it to stay. I wish you could buy nails like individually, so I would just make my life easier. I wouldn't have to buy all these large sizes because I basically use the same like type when I do nails. To start, I'm gonna start by putting oil on this nail. Usually you don't want to have your fingers like oily or whatever, but I want this to like pop off. I haven't done nails in so long, I like keep forgetting what to do. I got this buffing block. It's really weird. I only use this side, but I'm just gonna quickly buff my nails. I'm making sure to get the sides really well because that's usually where most lifting happens if you don't like buff it out right. I finally had some more rubbing alcohol. It's just like a generic brand, but I got 70% this time. I was using 91%. Honestly, the fumes were really messing with my head. I was kind of organized at the beginning of this, but now I'm kind of just... Okay, this one doesn't smell as bad. I'm just doing this to dry out the nails but also get rid of any dust from buffing. They're looking pretty dry, pretty crusty. I'm just going to put on a base coat. I'm going to start with these 4 nails because if I do the thumb too, it's just going to be really annoying. Okay, now that that's cured, I'm going to start with my pinky nail. For the pinky nail, I wanted to encapsulate some glitter. I did get this Halloween glitter. This is going to be a Kuromi set, so I was just looking through my glitter. At first I was thinking to do this one, but this looks more blue. So maybe I'll do like the black and purple and silver glitters. So I think that'll be cute. I am going to do this in there and then I'll like press it on. I'm going to use one of these and then kind of just do that. I hope this sticks. I don't know if I have to like etch the inside or something. I wonder if I could just dry it out with rubbing alcohol. Okay, I really don't think that did anything. I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know how to like get all the glitter. Also, this Halloween glitter has like mustaches in it. Who decided that putting mustaches was gonna work? Okay, these little things are like spiders, I think, maybe? But I'm gonna use them as like skulls. I am getting like a sheet of glass. I'm just gonna use it to try and protect the paper underneath so that I actually have like a decent background instead of just paper towels. I wanted to use this. Which one was it? Maybe this one because it has like these hexagon ones. I think that might be good. And then I'm gonna like really lightly go over it with more base coat just so that like if there's any air bubbles, they like fill up with base coat. I'm just gonna cure it. I definitely need a better lamp because this one doesn't even work half the time and it's frustrating. So there's that. I'm gonna go in with some clear polygel. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but it's gonna be really thick because I put a thick base coat on. Okay, and I'm gonna smooth this out to the best of my ability. I really need a new polygel brush because this one's definitely overused and getting crusty. Okay, now that I've covered the nail, I'm just gonna thin out the part where I'm actually gonna like stick it. And if I get anything out like on the outside of the nail, that's fine, I'll just file it off. It's very important for this nail at least that I don't let it go underneath just because this one is still like lifted and I don't want this like curing on my skin underneath. Clean up the edges a bit. And then I always forget to do this, but make sure you're clearing up like the sides, like kind of pull your nail back a little bit. I'm gonna cure it. It looks, those are all air bubbles, but it'll do. I tried my hardest, guys. You can see like the hollow. I didn't clean it up yet, so I'll leave that for later. For the next nail, I'm gonna use one of these stickers. I think I'm going to use this. Maybe that one? Or the one of her sitting down. I like that one too. Okay, so for this one, I'm also just gonna do the clear and then stick it on. So honestly, maybe I'll just do these three and then I'll come back because you already just basically saw me do it. Okay, I'm here really quick just to show you. I did not put a lot of gel on this nail, but I think it still looks fine. This one, you probably can't tell, but it's probably the clearest. Also, why does my light do that? Anyways, it's probably the clearest one I've gotten. It doesn't look that clear because the back is like really weird, but not bad. I am gonna clean them up though right now. I'm not gonna record it because that's annoying. And then I'm also gonna buff the surface. I got them good. I didn't buff out the pinky. This took me like forever to do these three, but it's okay. For this nail, I should put on a base coat. I don't know how well these nails are gonna hold up just because I didn't etch the inside. I only put like foundation or base coat on it. Also, super sorry if my hair falls in. I tried putting it back, but I have like intense baby hairs. So I did go in with my drill and then I used the buffing block just for like the tips because I hate drilling around the tips because it like go sicko mode. And while I'm curing, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm using this color. It's super pretty. It has like hollow glitter in it. I'm gonna use some rhinestones, the like iridescent ones or whatever, to like match the hollow glitter. And then I'm gonna put the sticker in the middle. The only reason I don't mind the air bubbles is because I'm putting glitter on anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Also, I'm thinking for the next time I do this, I'm gonna size up on the nails because you can like kind of see it's not like completely on there. I tried going around my cuticles too to blend the tip in. Honestly, I might do 2 coats because you can still see my yellow nails under. Make sure you're always wiping it off of your nail. You do not want to cure this onto your skin. That's how it's looking. I'll have to give like a better view or use my iPhone flash. but that's that so far. For this nail, I didn't really know what color to use for like the background. I'm going to go in, I think, with this shade, and I'm gonna put this on it. I'm gonna just stick it on with some Polygel. I don't have like rhinestone glue or whatever. I wanted to show you what the glitter looked like in like an iPhone flash. I just did 2 coats. I'm just gonna, okay, that's like kind of a lot. I'm gonna try and like smooth the gel under. You can kind of see what I did. Okay, I'm thinking of doing some of the top coats now. And not only am I gonna do the top, I'm gonna like go underneath. I do this every time I have like clear nails. Look at how, okay, it looks kind of bumpy, but look at how clear and nice it looks. Like, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with this sticker of her standing up just because it'll take up more space on my long nails. Now I'm gonna put the rhinestones around. I don't think I want to record this part that much because it takes forever and it's just putting on rhinestones, but let me show you what I do. I'm gonna start off with a top coat. I don't cure it. I'm gonna use these ones. And I'm just gonna end up placing them, and then at the end, I'll like move them around to how I want them to look. I'm just gonna show you with flash on. And for this nail, I didn't really know what to do. I came up with the plan, but then I kind of just, the more I thought about it, the more I was like, yeah, I don't know. For this nail, I did do 2 coats. The first coat was before I put the rhinestones on, and then I put the rhinestones on and then cured it, and then I put another coat like around the middle, and I just cured that, and then did a top coat on the bottom because it is like a clearer color. I think I want to keep my nail there, like my natural nail, because it's cute, right? Let's get into nail artist mode, guys. Well, I'm gonna do another coat because it's kind of weird. I think I will put one more sticker on like the clear part. That's good enough for me, guys. Right, it's just kind of cute. I was thinking of doing the little skull on here. I'll try it. Why not? Honestly, I have nothing to lose, so I'm gonna use this pink that I used for the charm nail. I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the rhinestones, except I'm gonna do it on this curve here. So for this one, I'm gonna need this back. We're not using the purple, but we're using the pink. Okay, for this now, what I'm thinking of doing is that heart design where it's just like a bunch of different layers of the heart. I'm gonna record like a little bit just because this is my thumb and it's gonna be annoying. And I already have a video where I did a heart design. I'll put a card now of the video and you can see how I did it there. I'm gonna start with like the black heart in the middle. I got my G Fuel. Okay, I finished the nail. It does not look the best, but it is what it is. I put a matte top coat on to kind of like smooth everything down. And now I'm gonna put some of these stars on. I wonder if I could just glue it on with some nail glue, to be honest. I used these from my Halloween ones. I got Polygel olive on it. I have this KDS glue. Okay, we'll just let that dry. And then for this one, I'm just gonna top coat over the charms too because I didn't put one on. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Here's just the nails. I did behind like a black background and just like a plain white. And I went outside to show you that as well. But thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.